Hello everyone, and welcome to a new educational video on common collocations. Collocations are combinations of words that frequently go together, making our speech and writing sound more natural and fluent. Today, we'll explore some of the most common collocations, provide example sentences, and practice using them in context. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use these word combinations effectively. Additionally, we've included comprehension questions to help reinforce your learning. So, let's get started on this journey to mastering collocations. The importance of learning common collocations. Fluency and naturalness make speech and writing sound more like a native speaker. Improved comprehension enhances understanding of spoken and written language. Effective communication reduces misunderstandings and clarifies messages. Enhanced vocabulary expands and deepens vocabulary usage. Cultural insight provides insight into cultural norms and usage. Better writing skills improves coherence and quality of writing. Time efficiency speeds up language learning by learning chunks. Reading and listening proficiency aids in quicker, more accurate comprehension. Confidence building boosts confidence in language use. Overview. Deliver common collocations. Examples: reading stories, interactive questions, matching questions, sentence completion questions, multiple choice questions. Common collocations. Deliver. Let's begin with set 1 of deliver collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Deliver justice. Deliver a message. Deliver a speech. Deliver on a deadline. Deliver first aid. Deliver a lecture. Deliver instructions. Deliver relief. Deliver a report. Deliver a performance.
Examples. The court's goal is to deliver justice to all citizens fairly. Please deliver a message to the team about the updated schedule. Bianca will deliver a speech on climate change at the conference. The company worked hard to deliver on a tight deadline. The paramedic was quick to deliver first aid to the injured driver. The professor will deliver a lecture on modern art techniques. The coach delivered clear instructions to the players before the match. The charity delivered relief to the flood-stricken community. Chase needs to deliver a report to the board by tomorrow morning. The actor delivered a performance that left the audience speechless.
Delivering justice and support. Maria, a young lawyer, wanted to make a difference. She worked hard to deliver justice to her clients, especially those wronged by large corporations. In her free time, she volunteered with the Red Cross to deliver first aid training. During one community event, Maria was tasked with delivering a lecture on human rights, ensuring the audience left more informed and inspired. When asked to deliver a speech at a human rights conference, she knew she had to deliver a performance that would inspire action. On another occasion, Maria had to quickly deliver a message to her team about an urgent client case. She also helped deliver relief supplies during a natural disaster, while juggling her responsibilities to deliver a report on her law firm's community projects. Her ability to deliver instructions clearly made her a mentor for younger colleagues, and she never missed the chance to deliver on a deadline for urgent cases.
Matching questions. Match the scenarios with the correct phrases. Deliver justice. Deliver a speech. Deliver first aid. Deliver relief. Deliver a report. The lawyer worked hard to blank by advocating for her client in court. Volunteers traveled to the affected region to blank to families in need. The team was required to blank to the board by the end of the week. The paramedic quickly stepped in to blank after the accident. The manager was invited to blank at the annual business conference.
Let's continue. Let's begin with set 2 of Deliver Collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Deliver news. Deliver an update. Deliver results. Deliver a judgment. Deliver data. Deliver a promise. Deliver a baby. Deliver a service. Deliver a masterpiece. Deliver a commitment.
Examples. Calliope had the difficult task of delivering the bad news to the family. The project manager will deliver an update on the progress later today. Our focus is to deliver results that exceed client expectations. The judge took several hours to deliver a judgment on the case. The IT team is working to deliver data to the analytics department. Luke always strives to deliver on his promises, no matter the challenge. The midwife successfully delivered a healthy baby boy. This company is known for delivering exceptional customer service. The director delivered a masterpiece with his latest film. The team delivered their commitment to complete the project on time.
A midwife's promise. Clara, a midwife, had a busy day ahead. She started by delivering a baby in the morning, ensuring both mother and child were safe. Later, she needed to deliver an update to the hospital board about improvements in maternal care. Clara also had the emotional task of delivering news to a family about a medical complication. In a complex case, she collaborated with a doctor to deliver data that helped decide the best treatment plan. Clara always made it her mission to deliver results that instilled trust in her patients. Reflecting on a particularly challenging week, she felt she had successfully delivered a masterpiece of compassionate care, particularly when she helped design a safer birthing technique. By the end of the day, Clara took pride in having delivered a service that saved lives. Reflecting on her work, she realized she had fulfilled her goal of delivering a promise to make childbirth safer and more compassionate. Her dedication to delivering a commitment to maternal safety became her lasting legacy. In her spare time, Clara also assisted with legal procedures to deliver a judgment on medical policies, ensuring a fair system for all patients.
Sentence completion questions. Read the sentences below and fill in the blanks with the correct collocations from the list. Deliver a service, deliver a masterpiece, deliver a baby, deliver an update, deliver data, deliver news, deliver a commitment. 1. The journalist promised to blank about the latest developments in the story. 2. The scientist was asked to blank to the committee on their research findings. 3. The midwife took pride in her ability to blank safely and with care. 4. The artist worked tirelessly to blank that would leave a lasting impression. 5. The IT team needed to blank to the manager for the presentation. 6. The company worked to blank, that aligned with customer satisfaction goals.
Let's carry on. Let's begin with set 3 of deliver collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Deliver a project. Deliver a ruling. Deliver a package. Deliver medicine. Deliver value. Deliver a product. Deliver a shipment. Deliver goods. Deliver a presentation. Deliver on expectations.
Examples. We aim to deliver the project by the end of the quarter. The jury took 2 days to deliver their final ruling on the case. The courier delivered the package to the wrong address. The pharmacy delivers medicine to patients who can't visit in person. The product line was designed to deliver value to budget-conscious customers. The startup is excited to deliver its first product to the market. The logistics team worked overnight to deliver the shipment on time. The company promises to deliver goods within 3 business days. Dahlia is preparing to deliver a presentation on marketing trends. The manager promised to deliver on expectations by increasing revenue.
The tech company's vision. Tech startup founder and managing director Alex had a vision to deliver value through innovative products. His team was working tirelessly to deliver a product that could revolutionize online education. They aimed to deliver a project prototype by the end of the month. Alex also partnered with a logistics firm to deliver goods efficiently once the product was launched. One day, he personally supervised a courier to ensure the team could deliver a package to a key investor on time. To expand globally, he knew he needed to deliver on expectations by maintaining high quality. Meanwhile, the legal team was preparing to deliver a ruling on a patent issue, and the operations team ensured they could deliver shipments smoothly. As part of a global summit, Alex prepared to deliver a presentation about his company's growth and innovation strategies. Additionally, the team collaborated with healthcare experts to deliver medicine through their new AI-powered logistics tool. The company's success lay in its ability to fulfill commitments at every level.
Multiple choice questions. Read the sentences and circle the correct one. 1. Which of the following collocations refers to ensuring customer satisfaction? A. Deliver a project. B. Deliver a ruling. C. Deliver on expectations. 2. The logistics company aims to blank within 24 hours to maintain customer satisfaction. A. Deliver goods. B. Deliver value. C. Deliver a presentation. 3. The pharmacy ensured they could blank to remote areas in emergencies. A. Deliver value. B. Deliver medicine. C. Deliver shipments. 4. Caleb was proud to blank ahead of schedule. A. Deliver a package. B. Deliver a project. C. Deliver data. 5. Which collocation describes completing a task with tangible output? A. Deliver a product. B. Deliver a speech. C. Deliver justice. 6. The court was expected to blank on the disputed case next week. A. Deliver goods. B. Deliver a product. C. Deliver a ruling.
Thank you for joining this educational video on common collocations. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of how to use these essential word combinations. Remember, the key to mastering collocations is practice and exposure. Continue to read, listen, and use these collocations in your daily communication. Don't forget to test your understanding by answering the comprehension questions. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Keep practicing, and you'll see your language skills improve in no time. Have a great day, and happy learning!